The Hispano-Suiza H6 is one of the most iconic luxury automobiles of the early 20th century, embodying both technical innovation and opulence. The story of this car begins in 1904, when La Hispano-Suiza Fábrica de Automóviles was founded in Barcelona by Damián Mateu and a group of Spanish capitalists. The engineering was entrusted to Swiss engineer Marc Burkigt, who had been working in Spain since 1900. The name Hispano-Suiza, meaning Spanish-Swiss, reflects the collaboration between Spanish investors and Burkicht's Swiss expertise. From 1904 to 1914, Burkicht designed several engines, laying the foundation for the brand's reputation. By 1911, Hispano-Suiza expanded to France, opening a factory in Paris to meet growing demand. During World War I, the company shifted focus to aircraft engines, producing the revolutionary Hispano-Suiza V8, which became highly sought after by the Allies. This expertise in aviation engineering later influenced the design of their automobiles. The Hispano-Suiza H6, introduced in 1919, was a standout model, featuring a powerful engine derived from aircraft technology. It was the first car to incorporate four-wheel brakes with mechanical servo assistance, outperforming competitors like Rolls-Royce. One particularly unique variant of the H6 is the six-wheel Phaeton, custom-built in Barcelona. This car was reportedly commissioned by a European monarch, likely King George II of Greece, though some sources suggest it was intended for his predecessor, Constantine I. Due to political upheaval in Greece, the king was unable to take delivery, and the car was eventually sold to Hollywood director David Wark Griffith for $35,000. The vehicle gained fame after appearing in the 1933 film My Lips Betray and several war movies. Its distinctive design, featuring unconventional headlights, was the work of American designer Leon Roubaix. The six-wheel H6 also has a personal connection to Manuel Solé, a Barcelona-based cabinet maker who crafted its wooden panels and decorations. His grandson later shared anecdotes about the car's construction, which began in La Sagrera, Barcelona, but was completed elsewhere due to logistical challenges. After years of neglect, the car was meticulously restored and is now part of the Forney Museum of Transportation in Denver, Colorado. Today, the Hispano-Suiza H6 remains a symbol of pre-war luxury and innovation. Its blend of aviation-inspired engineering, elegant design, and royal connections make it a fascinating piece of automotive history. The six-wheel Phaeton, in particular, stands as a testament to the craftsmanship and ambition of its creators, awaiting further discoveries to complete its remarkable story.